Okay. So this is the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the largest ocean on the earth. It resembles the letter S. It is bounded in the east by Europe and Africa, in the west by Americas. In the north, it merges with the Arctic Ocean, and in the south with the Southern Ocean. Okay. Means Atlantic Ocean is the largest ocean, and it is just, if you will see the Atlantic Ocean, it will form a letter S. Okay, and it is bounded, means surrounded by Europe, Africa from the east side, and in the west side it has been surrounded by America. In the north it merges with the Arctic Ocean, and in the south it is surrounded with Southern Ocean. Okay. The most striking feature of this ocean is the mid-Atlantic ridge. Okay, a region consisting of the range of underwater mountains and deep. Means there is a striking feature in the ocean which is called mid-Atlantic ridge. What is mid-Atlantic ridge? Mid-Atlantic ridge is a region consisting of the range of underwater mountain. Means how, what is the like measure, okay, to the region under where the mountains has been found, okay, inside the Atlantic Ocean, because there has been there has been mountain has been arised inside the ocean. Okay, and for that mountain ranges we use mid Atlantic ridge terms. Okay, inside the Atlantic Ocean. Thereafter, many cracks through which molten rock oozes up to cool and form new rocks. As I had just told you before, that inside the ocean there has been volcanic eruptions can also happen, and it form what? It form a different cracks. As I had told you in the previous chapter, the different cracks which has been named as faulting. Okay. So many islands such as Canary Island, Cape Verde, Newfoundland, the British Isles, the Western Indian, these are the things which has been lie inside the oceans. Okay, these are all islands. Okay. Thereafter, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country. To the north of its ocean lies Asia, to the west lies Africa, and to the south lies Antarctica. Means Indian Ocean is the only ocean which has been named after a country, which is India. Okay. To the north of this ocean, Asia is situated in the north side. In the west side, Africa is over there, and in the south, it has been surrounded with Antarctica and Cago's Lacadive Ridge. Okay, this is the massive undersea mountain range. Means in the Indian Ocean, there has been a mountain which has been known as Cago's Lacadive Ridge. Okay, its peaks appear as the Lakshadweep, Maldives, Cagos group of island. Okay, many volcanic islands like Mauritius and Reunion Islands are found here. Means there has been a volcanic eruptions too inside this ocean. Okay, other islands include the Andaman and Nicobar Island and Sri Lanka. These are the islands of the Indian Ocean. Okay. Thereafter, we will go for the Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is the only known as Antarctic Ocean. It is the extensive of Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Ocean. Means when the three oceans has been extended, like Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean, and it form what? A Southern Ocean. Okay. So it is surrounded by continent Antarctica, and most important islands found here are Scott Island, Balleny Island, Falkland Island. These oceans remain frozen for most of the year. Means the ocean has been just covered with a layer of ice for almost all of the years. Okay. Thereafter, we will come for the Arctic Ocean. Okay. Arctic Ocean is what? Arctic Ocean speaks around the North Pole, and like the Southern Ocean remains frozen most of the time. This ocean is bounded in the south by This ocean is bounded in the south by large continental mass of North America and Eurasia. Okay. Means the Arctic Ocean is spread around the North Pole, and like the Southern Oceans remain frozen most of the time. it will remain frozen. And this ocean is bounded in the south, means in the south the large continental mass of North America and Eurasia has been situated, and the huge mass of ice which is called as iceberg float in water during summer. Okay, means in the Arctic Ocean the iceberg is very common to see. Thereafter, there are several islands like Greenland, Iceland, Ellesmere Island, Novaya Zemlya. These are the islands which has been found over the ocean, and as a result of global warming, the ice sheet that cover the large part of Arctic Ocean are melting rapidly. Means due to the increasing in the global warming, these ices has been started melting very rapidly. This has the effect that the animal life of Arctic Ocean has been affected, means the Arctic means the animals which has habituated with the ice are being affected because they won't getting the enough ice. Okay, and their ice are melting. It has also led to the rising sea levels, means it also increasing the sea level in the world. Okay, so today we will just close our class to the Arctic Ocean. Thereafter, in the next class, we are going to learn about the sea and other things. Okay, thank you.